On this episode of the show, we're going to talk about portability. Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show. Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small, and this is episode 45 of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I am super pumped to be here with you. This show, as always, brought to you by CMS Law Firm, my firm, estate planning firm extraordinaire, estate planning lawyer extraordinaire. Super excited to be here with you today. We're on the cusp of the storm of the century, and we may not be here much longer. So I wanted to take this opportunity to talk to you about portability, what it is, what it isn't, why it matters in Washington State, and why it doesn't, and some of the things that you need to look out for. So let's begin. Portability generally is the ability for you to take your tax exemption, your estate tax exemption, and give it to your spouse. So for example, at the federal level, and we're going to use round numbers to make this easy, let's say you each have $5 million that you can have before you have to start paying any taxes. So everything over $5 million you have to pay tax on. With portability, when you pass away, you can give your $5 million to your spouse. So that means your spouse can then have $10 million of assets that they can acquire or build up before they have to start paying estate taxes. That's pretty nice. That's a huge number. And in reality, the number is bigger and closer to 11 million right now on the federal side. But Washington State had to come and get involved and kind of mess everything up. So the way that Washington State works is that at 2 million, and we're talking again round numbers here, it's not exactly 2 million, it's like 2,019,000 right now. But at 2 million, we all as residents of Washington State start to pay estate taxes once we pass away. Now, portability, you would think, would allow me to give my wife my $2 million and give her $4 million, but Washington State has no portability. That means if you don't use your $2 million when you pass away, that your spouse only has their $2 million. So, to give you a perfect example, let's say my wife and I had $4 million worth of assets, a $4 million house, for example, or two $2 million houses, make it easy. And when I pass away, I give my wife everything. Allison, goes all to her. So now I pay no tax on that, $2 million. It all goes to her, okay? Now she has $4 million. When she passes away, she doesn't get to take up to $4 million because my $2 million exemption is not portable. So when she passes away, she gets $2 million exempt, and then everything over that is going to be taxed at varying percentages. And that extra $2 million is going to carry a bill with it of about $230,000 or so. Again, we're rounding off here to make the numbers easy. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, then you want to talk to an estate planning attorney like myself to figure out how to work around that. There are some relatively simple workarounds that you can do to save $230,000. And I can tell you how to do that. I can show you, and it's super easy, and I would love to do that. So if you're interested, call me, 206-659-1512. Again, my name is Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm, and you can email me, chris@cmslawfirm.com. You can leave a comment below. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. I hope this is going to help you save some money. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.